Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a project here in Zoho Projects. All right, so first up, you gotta log into your Zoho Projects account. And once you're in here, okay, first up, you'll be landed under the Home tab. Okay, so what you'll do, just go to the left panel and find Projects. Okay, you can click on it or click on 3 dots and just click on New Project. Okay, you can go ahead and create one from scratch or from the template gallery. So we have here under Projects, New Projects. Okay, click on it. Now again, blank project or from scratch, or you can go ahead and use from one of the templates right here. Okay, if you have one. So under all, we have here the predefined project templates. You can just go ahead and select one if you want to as well. So if not, just click on blank. Now in here, add in the project title, for example, YouTube project right here. The owner, which is you, template, leave the template as we don't have added yet. So start date, today, end date, maybe next month. Okay. If you want to, you can go ahead and make this project a strict project. Now, what is a strict project? So it says here, there's a tasks, issues, milestones, etc. You cannot start or end outside the scheduled dates of a strict project. Now, project group right here, if you have one, go ahead and select one. If not, you can go ahead and add a new. So project group name could be a YT project right here, create group, and add in a description. Okay. And once that's done, you can go ahead over to business hours. Okay. Standard business hours right here. Tasks layout. I'm just going to keep it as is and the tags right here. For example, YT, hit enter, YouTube, hit enter like so. Add in some more if you want to. We have here roll up. The tabs, you can enable some tabs right here. For example, expense, enable it by just checking on it. Forums, pages, and finance. Okay, these are great tabs right here. By default, are enabled. Okay, scroll down and you'll be able to find project access. Should it be private or public? Okay, I'm just going to go ahead on public right here and then just click on add. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, we are now under the YouTube project. Okay. The project task, users right here, reports, documents, phrases, time logs, finance is in this section. Okay, you can click on view to view the project itself. There you go. And here we have some additional settings, okay, the right panel. That is it. That is how you create a project here in Zoho Project. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.